first thing I want you to do before you lose your documents is get them somewhere. And let me explain. One of the hardest things for you is going to be getting duplicates of your documents. Take screenshots of your birth certificate, your social security card, those types of things. Get yourself a Google email and put them in a Google Drive, because you don't want to have them physically with you. You want to have them somewhere where if you lose them, you'll be able to get access to them. If you have a family member, a case manager, maybe you grew up in foster care, somebody from your past who you could potentially give those documents to, because when you want to try to get into a shelter, you want to try to get into housing, you want to get a job, all these different things, if you get your bag stolen and you have all those documents and they're gone, it's going to be a huge problem. In terms of sleeping, I don't know your particular situation, but I preferred sleeping during the day in a public place where people could see me and staying up at night. So a few things that you could potentially do is riding the train back and forth during the day, finding a place where you can sit in a cafe and just, halfway sleep, riding the bus back and forth, find the bus line that's the farthest out and ride that back and forth. Also, to stay warm, sometimes there'll be places where a shelter has like a day center or a women's center where you can sit during the day and also go in to use the bathroom. Sleeping outside, you always want to have a layer of cardboard underneath. If you have them, those like heavy wool blankets, if you can steal them or get them from a U-Haul place, heavy blanket on the bottom, that's going to help keep you warm, and then your blankets on top. But you never want to sleep directly on the concrete. You always have to have something underneath there.
Life can take unexpected turns, and sometimes people find themselves without a place to stay. If that ever happens to you, it's important to know what steps you can take right away. In today's video, I'll share clear, simple tips that can help you stay safe, find resources, and start moving forward, even in the hardest times. Welcome to the channel. What to do if you find yourself homeless? First, focus on safety. If you need a place for the night, try to find a shelter. In the US, you can dial 211 to get connected right away. If shelters are full, look for safe public spaces like a hospital waiting room, a church, or even a bus station. Always keep your essentials close and secure. Second, seek emergency help. Local outreach organizations, churches, and community groups often provide temporary housing, meals, and clothing. And if you ever feel unsafe, call 911. Next, find food and basic needs. Food pantries, soup kitchens, and shelters can help. If you have a phone, websites like findhelp.org or StreetLink in the UK can show you resources nearby. Fourth, protect your important documents. If you have an ID, social security card, or birth certificate, keep them safe in a waterproof bag. If you've lost them, replacing them should be a top priority, since you'll need them to apply for assistance or jobs. Fifth, look into longer-term solutions. Programs like transitional housing, food assistance, and job training can help you get back on your feet. Workforce centers and nonprofits like Goodwill often provide free training and job support. Sixth, care for your health. Free clinics and mental health hotlines can give you support. In the US, you can call or text 988 anytime if you're feeling overwhelmed or hopeless.
988 is the number that can make a difference.
It's a number to use when you need help
and don't know where to turn. Call, text, or chat 988 day or night.
The number where someone will always be there to talk.
The National Suicide and Crisis Lifeline. Learn it, know it, share it.
Because you never know when you
or someone you know may need it.
988, the National Suicide and Crisis Lifeline. Learn it, know it, share it.
Finally, stay connected if possible. A phone can help you reach services, And libraries offer free internet and charging stations. Staying connected is key to finding resources and support. Homelessness can happen to anyone, but there is help available. Remember, you are not alone, and taking even small steps can open the door to safety and stability. If you or someone you know needs immediate help, dial 211 in the US or look up local crisis hotlines in your area. If you found this video helpful, please share it, because you never know who might need this information. I hope this information was helpful to you in some way. And as usual, thank you for visiting Hello today. Please like, share, and subscribe to be notified when we upload the next video.